everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to conjugate Korean be irregular verbs. Welcome back. My name is Inyoung. If you're new here, I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about how to conjugate be irregular verbs. So this is a very common question from most of my students, and because this is irregular conjugation. And this conjugation doesn't apply to every scenario. It's usually applied to be adjective verbs. When I say be adjective verbs, for example, it's to be pretty, to be light, to be hot. So that is be adjective in English. But in Korean, we have one single word to represent be adjective. That's why I call it be adjective verbs. So be adjective verbs, it ends with be as the last consonant of the syllable in the Korean verb stem. So when you take off that from the dictionary form, that is what I call as Korean stem or Korean verb root. So you're gonna see be as the last consonant of the Korean verb root, and you're gonna conjugate from there. So the first example, 가볍다, that is to be light. And take off 다 at the end from the dictionary form, 가볍, that is Korean verb root. And it ends with be as the last consonant. So what you're going to do, here are the steps. First step you're gonna do, take off be as the last consonant. And second step is add extra syllable 우. So far we have 가벼우. And then the last step is you're going to apply the regular conjugation rule. When it's 우 vowel, you're going to add 어요 in a polite speech. So we have 가벼워요. 우 becomes 워 vowel. 가벼워요. 가벼워요. And you can say 이 종이가 가벼워요. This paper is light. 이 종이가 가벼워요. And second example, to be hot. 덥다. So again, first step, look at the verb root, 덥. Take off be, becomes 더. And second step, add 우 syllable, 더우. Third step, apply 어요. So 더워요. To be hot. If you want to say summer is hot. 여름이 더워요. 여름이 더워요. And then the third example, I'm gonna leave it up to you so that you can answer and leave it in the comment down below. Let's say to be cold. 춥다. 춥다. So you have to look at the verb root and conjugate from there. 춥다. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you got some value out of this, make sure to give thumbs up and feel free to share this video with friends and family who are interested in learning Korean language and culture. If you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.